Hey, paper crafting friends. I wanted to jump on real quick and do the drawing for the winner of the February 2021 Kiwi Club Kit Collaboration videos. So remember, if you made a comment on any of those videos, you are eligible for this prize drawing. I just realized I did not pull up the random name picker. Sorry about that. Let me see. Of course, it's going to be hard to find now. It's actually a random comment picker. I apologize, guys. There it is. All right. So with this random comment picker, what I do is enter in the address from each of the videos. We get one comment from each video, and I put that person into the wheel of names. So it'll come down to those 3 people. We'll all have a chance at the end. So I'm going to grab my video address first, and we'll put it in here and say, get YouTube comments. So we had 26 comments on my video. I can come down here now and start the raffle, and it will choose one of those. Here we go. Kathy Glenn. So your name is the one from my channel. So sweet. So beautiful. Thanks for showing how the little pieces line up with the border. I haven't played with mine yet, and I'm sure you saved me time. So excellent, Kathy. That is always the idea. We want to make sure that we are helping you out and giving you some ideas and getting it all ready for you to get in there and have a good time. So I'm going to go ahead and grab the address of Stacy's video. I hope you guys had a great time watching Stacy this time. It was her first time doing the collab with us, and I know she had a lot of visitors to her channel, some new subscribers, so that's always exciting. She featured some really cool slimline cards, so it was fun to see something different. So on Stacy's video, we had 17 comments. Let's see who the name will be from her channel. It is Valerie Raven. Love making cards and will definitely make these. They are lovely. That's awesome, Valerie. Let me get you in this wheel of names. And thanks again to all of you for taking the time to visit our channels, leave the comments. It is, it's a time-consuming thing to make the videos, but we do it because we love it. So it's nice when we get wonderful comments from you guys and let us know that you love it too. So probably we'd make them no matter what, but the encouragement is certainly helpful. All right. And Sandy had 15 comments on her video this time. So let's get down here, get our name from Sandy's channel. Spring Chick 28. Great layout. I like the additional pop of blue for the photo mats. Thanks for sharing, Monica. Awesome. All right. So I guess I'm going to put you in as Spring Chick 28, but now we know that your name is Monica. So Spring Chick 28. We've got those 3 names in there. Here we go, guys. Let's see who the lucky template set winner is. Oh, it looks like it's Valerie. All right, Valerie, congratulations. We will get in touch with you. Stacy is providing the prize this month, but you get to choose which template set you would like. So congratulations. And don't forget to join us in March. I know our kits are coming a little late, but as soon as they get here, we will get busy. So we look forward to seeing you guys later this month. Have a great afternoon. Bye-bye.